Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add members in Trello. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to trello.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, you'll be taken to this homepage. And here, you can click on login at the top right corner to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, go and create a new account. You can use, as example, a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself in such a page, which is the home page. Here, if you go to this list panel, you'll be able to find the members option. Just go and click on that, and from here, you'll be able to invite members in Trello. So basically, to invite members, you have two options. You either invite them using their email address or name. As an example, say I'm trying to invite someone with this email. And as you can see, I can find this. I'm just going to click on it and I can send like a specific message, like join my workspace for my work like space for this and that's an example. You can even invite them using name. Of course, you may find a lot of people with the same name. So you can scroll down and find the one or the person that you're looking for specifically. Of course, you can bulk invite people. If you don't want that, you can simply go here and click on invite with link. Just click on that and you can paste it to your friends as example. Let's say if they open it, they will be taken here. If they already have an account, they will just be invited the right way. They don't, they will be asked to log in or create an account if they don't have one. And that's how you invite members. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.